Hi, sociologists. How are you doing today? I hope you had a nice break, and I hope you are warm and toasty wherever you are. Just wanting to do my probably last check-in with you. Maybe I'll send another video, but I can't know what I would say because we're at the end. Oh my gosh. I know we have 2 more weeks until finals week, but you're getting the final today. And there's no more new content after you finish the 2 posts that are due tonight by midnight. So hopefully you're done with those or getting close to being done. Between now and December 12th, you're going to indicate what has shifted. Well, I'm not sure when that one is due. That might be due sooner. Let's look at it together just so that we're on the same page. That is... Well, it's going back to the first discussion post, right? I want you to go back and answer these questions now since you've had this whole semester and kind of think about what has shifted. Okay, so there's that, and that is la-di-da-di. Let's see when that one's due. That is due, let's go to the end. That is due, what has shifted is due on December 8th. Okay, so that's due a week from today. But then your final is also here for you to look at. It's ready. You can write it tomorrow if you feel so inclined. You can also wait and get it to me by the 12th at midnight or 11:59, just like you did before. So that's that. Basically, content, you're done. I have participation grade on here, which you don't do anything about. That's just based on the number of posts that you've completed. It's a point total that I'll calculate at the end of the semester. But as you can see, it's a big portion of your grade, so hopefully you did all your posts like you're supposed to, and they're all part of your grade. And then I also have a space for you to look at service learning, which is a great class that I teach in the spring. I teach it in the fall also. It's called Psychology, Behavioral Sciences, it's one or the other, 252B, and it's going to be Wednesdays at 3 o'clock. So you get to do field work in a placement that does social service work in an agency. If you're interested in that, I'm happy to talk to you about it. So shoot me an email if that sounds good. I don't have a current flyer up there right now because I haven't made one. Because it was a semester from hell a little bit with all the cancellations, and I never did make a new flyer. But just so you know, it's Psychology 252B or Behavioral Sciences 252B, and it's called Service Learning, and it's offered on Wednesdays at 3 o'clock, and you meet with me once a week, and then you spend 60 hours over the course of the semester working in a placement that you choose based on a list of about 40 placements, and it's really a neat opportunity. No other community college has anything like it, so we're really fortunate that we have that course here. It's always very small and intimate, so we all get to know each other well, and you get really great hands-on experience, and sometimes it leads to a job. Often it can lead to a paid job. So it's a pretty outstanding experience. Let me know if you're interested. By taking the class that you're in now, you've completed the prereq, so you're eligible to add the class. So just shoot me an email or come see me if you want to talk about it. But otherwise, have a great rest of the semester, and thanks for doing all this work on this class. I hope that it has been something that has given you pause and made you think, because that's hopefully the idea. So take care, and I look forward to seeing your finals and finishing out your posts. Take care. Bye-bye.